Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Code Commune. I am Subham. Today I'm going to start with the practice problem of Code Gladiators 2020. So in the previous tutorial we have already solved the problem 1 of Code Gladiators 2020. So in this tutorial we will solve practice problem. So question is saying in English there are two type of characters, vowel and consonant. Romy is a student in a school and is new to computers. He knows about the vowels and consonant but does not know how to write the code to get correct output. He needs your help to learn to the code, print the number of vowel, number of consonant and the product of them. So question is simple, saying that you have given a string and you have to just find out the number of vowel, number of consonant and the product of them in that string. So let's start the code. We will code in the Python 3. So the first line is saying it will consist of the number of test cases. So we will create a test cases t equal to int input. It will take number of test cases. So just write a while loop t greater than 0 and t minus equal to 1, that will decrement of the test cases. So in the next line it will consist of the string. So s equal to input. Take simple input. And now just create the vowel. Vowel equal to A-E-I-O-U, sorry, this is not A-C-I-O-U, that is A-E-I-O-U, and just create a for loop for I in S. If I present in vowel, so just create here a number of vowels. So V equal to 0, so that will count the number of vowel, that will counter for vowel. So just increment the counter of vowel. P plus equal to 1 and just get out of the loop. So now we will check the length of the string, which will the total number of character of a string. So tell a length of s. Now we will count the consonant, total number of consonant equal to total length minus total number of vowel. So just here total number of vowel. Now just print it. Print str of vowel plus space plus str of consonant plus space plus str of product. We have not created the product here. Product is equal to C cross T. So just now let's run the code. Yeah, you can see it's compiled successfully. Now submit it. So it's passed all the test cases. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if any query you ask in comment section, and I will request you to subscribe the channel and watch the next video, next tutorial, and in the next tutorial we will solve another practice problem of Code Gladiators 2020. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.